To set touch and hold spacebar as voice input in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select Samsung keyboard settings, and then scroll down Samsung keyboard screen, tap swipe touch and feedback, and then tap touch and hold spacebar. Select voice input, touch and hold for voice input. Now touch and hold spacebar set as voice input. Okay, when you touch and hold a spacebar, voice input will be shown. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.